So hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve the similar problem which we have solved in our previous video, but this time on Leetcode. The problem number is 136. It's quite easy. The problem states, given a non-empty array of integer nums where every element appears twice except for one, find that single one. So this is the exact similar problem which I have been talking about in my previous video. So let me read the problem again. Please read carefully. Given a non-empty array of integers nums, every element appears twice except for one. Okay, except for one, we need to find that single one. For example, if the array is 2 to 1, then output should be 1 because this is the number which is occurring just single and not twice. Similarly, 4 1 2 1 2, so answer should be 4, and for this answer should be 1. As simple as that. So without wasting any time, you should not watch this video. You should directly code the solution for this. So the solution is quite simple. We will just declare a variable called as answer, which is initialized to 0. Then for x in nums, answer is equal to answer XOR x, as simple as that. And at the end we will return answer. Very simple. Let's just try to run this. And okay, so for int x in nums, my bad, x. Okay, so it is accepted. Now also it is mentioned in the question that you must implement a solution with linear time complexity and use only constant extra space. So it is mentioned in the problem that we should not use any extra space, and all we need to do is just to write a solution which is in linear runtime. So this is the exact solution which we have been looking for. So let's just now try to submit it, and let's see if it is getting accepted. So perfect, it is getting accepted. So that's all for this video. You please solve this question on Leetcode problem number 136, and it's very easy. Thank you for watching till end, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.